going on, you guys? Jarek 120 of Disturb Reality back with a little daily street magic, and this is going to be a little behind the scenes video, like a performance breakdown, as well as a live in my thoughts explanation of why I'm doing what I'm doing, the psychology behind this approach and why I think it's going to work. But I'm also going to be including little miscellaneous thought processes that were happening in my head as I was performing, to give you a better understanding of why I decided to say what I was saying or talk about what I was talking about. And I guess you'll understand as the video goes on. But watch, like this video, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you dug it.
What's going on, you guys? Jarek 120 here out in the streets of Venice Beach, California. Today I wanted to dress a little more light colored. I got the white shirt on, actually. Form-fitting pants to be a little more, 2018, I guess. Decent shoes, and I'm letting my hair down to give that Venice look, make me feel a little more comfortable, hopefully, with the other people. I'm gonna approach this couple right over here and try to do a magic trick for them. I don't know if it will work because they look comfortable. So if they say no, whatever, we'll move on to someone else. But I'm almost already anticipating or predicting a no. Hey, we're, in vacation mode. But the reason I want to pick them is because the story that I want to tell with this magic trick would work well with a couple. So that's why I'm going to pick them, try to do it to them. And my approaches all today are just going to be calm, chill, normal dude, straight to the point, basically saying like, hey, you guys want to see a magic trick? Like, we're filming, and it's free just because we're filming. So let's give it a shot. What's up? What's up? You're pointing at something.
Looks good.
What looks good?
That group was staring at you for a second.
This group?
Yeah.
Alright, well then we're gonna pick a different group because they're staring at us, they see the film, they might be interested. Plus, look at them. They're just hanging out cuddling. So let's go maybe to this group.
So the reason I wanted to do this little performance breakdown is because
maybe they'll say no because they're all hanging out chilling, whatever.
Because this is all done in one shot, one take. This video is relatively boring.
We're filming magic, and I was gonna go do it to them, but you guys looked more like a fun group. I wanted to see if you guys would maybe be open to seeing some.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. Unless you guys are busy, it's okay.
So I gave them a simple compliment. You guys look like a more fun group, so that just makes them feel more, sure, you can show us magic. A small little compliment like that goes a long way.
Venice, or
We go to school together.
you go to school together?
Yeah.
How long have you guys been hanging out today?
So here I was trying to build rapport. Instead of just going right into the magic trick, I'm setting up the trick. You can see me playing with this deck.
Playing cards as details of the day. If you look at them in the back, they all kind of look familiar, the same from the back.
So I was using that building rapport, asking them about themselves to set up the trick, as well as, just like I said, I'm trying to get them on my side and build rapport with them.
Memory, pick a favorite memory that's happened to you today with this group of friends of yours. What's happened today that you guys have done that's been your favorite part of the day?
Went to Pride.
Went to Pride?
Yeah.
In West Hollywood?
Yeah.
Awesome. So let's take that idea and associate a playing card with it. Cool? So don't think of a card and name it. I'm gonna go through the deck and you just see one that calls out to you. Sound good? So whichever one. Whenever you want.
Stop.
But which card do you see? Which one calls out to you?
10 of hearts.
The 10 of hearts? So let's say that the 10 of hearts is, in this instance, the personification of you guys going to Pride. That's like the detail of the day. These other details might be sitting here.
There's a moment here where I was just like, okay, I can adjust myself to where this sleight of hand move plays not only to the audience or to the camera, but that would have been weird, so I just decided to let the trick be exposed to the camera because I'm performing for these people. There's this move right there.
Necessarily as important. So this is kind of the idea. If I take this, those other details, like I said, just kind of will fade out, disappear. Every single one, except from the clothes you're wearing, the small details, except that one of you guys going to Pride.
This trick is called Fade Out. You can find it on penguinmagic.com. I'll leave a link in the description.
But after a while, even that one important, crucial detail, next year at Pride, if you guys go, might fade out. Cool. Could I, so when I approached you guys could have said, no, we're busy, we're filming or whatever. What was it about my approach or interaction or anything about the situation where you guys felt okay or comfortable? Like, yeah, I'll see a magic trick. Like, was it something I said or any details that made you guys feel comfortable? Because I'm trying to teach people watching at home the do's and don'ts of like approaching. So is there anything that made you guys feel? Just honesty?
Like, very chill, like you just like approach us like whatever, like,
And ask us for,
Very
permission.
chill.
Yeah.
What's
Like,
that?
ask us for permission before just
Respect
coming
your
up.
time. Yeah. And if you guys would have said no, then it would have just brushed you off and it was done. Yeah. Cool. I like that. That's why I tried to explain to the camera before I even approached. I was like, my approach today is going to be chill, non-threatening, honest. Like, hey, here's what I'm doing. And exactly. So, yeah, that's it. I'm glad you guys took the time to watch. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Thank you guys very much.
Have a great day.
You guys too.
Have a good one.
Have a good weekend.
Gotcha. So, see, easy, chill, relaxed, indifferent. The biggest difference is indifference. You want, this works with relationships too, interacting with people, people that you're maybe attracted to. The biggest difference is indifference. I could either take it or leave it. And if you can portray that, then that's what's gonna make people a little more drawn to you. It's like, if it happens, cool. If it doesn't, whatever.